Hello friends, welcome to another Botsociety tips. On this video, I'd like to show you how you can add and edit multiple utterances using Botsociety. And before I show you how you can do that on Botsociety, I'd like to share with you two different angles about utterances and how you can use it on Botsociety. First, every message between either the user or the bot can be considered as an utterancy. Like if the bot say hi or the user say hi, we can design many different variations of this particular message. For every variation that we came up, we can say that this can be a new utterancy for that particular message. I know that hi doesn't say much, but think about like questions or intents that the user can have, or the user is looking to achieve something or to ask a particular information. Maybe there are different ways to do that, and you can think about these variations in the same message. And you can use Botsociety to prototype that, so it's easier for you to keep track of things. The second definition, though, it's about how AI trainers and engineers, they use this on Botsociety. As I said, since you can think about variations of a particular message, these people, they can use Botsociety to prototype their natural language processing. And by that I mean that they think about the variations of particular intents, or they came up with utterances and they add it on Botsociety, and later on they can export that. So in short, utterances help you to clarify the intent, and they can be used also as training phrases or training data for your intents by the Botsociety cloud or any other system that you like to export to your design, like RAS or Dialogflow. So how can you use this on Botsociety? Well, it's pretty simple. As I told you, you can design multiple variations or multiple utterances for the same message. Here you can see this is a path that I designed, which is about the weather update. The user is going to ask a question about how is the weather today, and then the bot is going to reply back. But here you can see that if I mouse over this message, this 1/1 button is going to show up, which is related to the utterances. So right now I have just one example of this particular question, and if I would like to add multiple examples or multiple utterances, or like multiple variations of the same question, I can just click here on this 1/1 button, and here I'm going to open up the text editor for that. If I would like to add a new utterancy for that, I just need to mouse over on utterancy, and here you're going to see that I can either add new, I can go to the next one, but I don't have any at the moment, and I can go to the previous one. So if I like to go and add a new one, I can just click here, add new, and then you're going to see there is green now, and then I can just type a message, something like, what's the temperature? And save it. So you can see that the same question can be answered with this particular answer here. And me, as a conversational designer or the AI trainer, I can be just thinking about variations of these questions. So this is going to be really helpful for my NLP engine. So the job is pretty much to be adding new utterances to this. So to add a new one, I can click here again and add a new. But you can see here, there's this command bracket command, which is basically for you to be adding new utterances as you type. So you don't need to type or to click again. So you can just be typing whatever you like what's the weather forecast for today. I can press again command bracket, and now I can just type a new one, like is it going to rain today? Another one, how is the weather? Is the weather later today? So these are basically variations of the same intent, and I can use this as my training data for my NLP engineering. And yeah, so this is pretty much how you can add multiple utterances and edit them on Botsociety. It's pretty simple. You just need to click and see the options that you have for utterances. I hope you can use this in your upcoming projects, and see you in another Botsociety tip. Bye bye.